To encourage children to be there, involve them in what's coming up, and the schools do most of the work. I mean, schools do most of the work, and they take that pressure off parents. And having spoken to parents about this recently, and I've spoken to loads of parents about this recently, a lot of them said they're not sure if they'd go ahead with it without the school's involvement. And it's not the case that they don't want their children to make their communion, they're just not sure that the time to fit in, getting them to religious education, or are they bothered going to mass anymore? There is that aspect.
I thought Father Paddy's stats of somewhere between 1% and 2% were fairly striking. Sean has got in touch as well, and he says I'm a practicing Catholic. I'm after. Stations and text play to 57599. Excuse me, I still to go. What's going on with this app now? This is causing chaos in Kerry.
Lunchtime live on News Talk
with Avant Money. Switch today.
Our town centres. Serena Bellissimo on her favourite celebrity cameos and 5 days of extra leave. Mind a sick kid. We take a look at the new proposals today from 4. The Hard Shoulder with Kieran Cuddy
with Nissan.
We
never had any intentions to go there. I think it was very interesting listening to what Father Paddy was saying there, because I think he's absolutely spot on. And it was something that we noticed, because most children who make their communion, they have to take part in this program in the school, in the church, where you're expected to attend church once a month, I think it is, roughly, in and around then, and they'll have a special mass with communion children, and they'll call them up, perhaps. Well, that's what happens in our church, and you get called up, and you're for the gospel, and they get little pages to take away, and it was